Before moving on to general components, I quickly want to go over the spectrum color palette that is available in addition to the simple drop-down one that has been shown already. Throughout the designer, you will see a color wheel icon. You will find it in the project properties as well as labels, panels, and buttons. Let's click on it. The spectrum palette should open up and off to the left. But if you drag it around, the software will remember the last place you had it, and it should open in the same location next time. This palette is based off of Google's Material Design color palette. As you will see, the colors go from light to dark. The numbers are the relative intensity, with 500 being in the middle. The additional 4 options to the right, starting with the letter A, are highlight colors. They have a bit of a glow to them and are useful for borders on buttons to show when something is on or off. They are also useful for labels. At the bottom you will see grays, browns, black and white. For our default UI template, we use the blue-gray palette for buttons and panels. We have found that using a blue neutral when creating our scenes is most appealing, as it is easy on the eyes, and it makes the color highlights on buttons really stand out well. You will notice when you start working with them that they are this color. We also set an opacity at different levels on our buttons and panels. You can adjust and play with this after you select a color. The field to do this is to the right of the color wheel icon. This color palette is here so you can get creative with your designs. As a UI designer, I recommend having a base color and then selecting a few highlight colors. Using too many colors can make a UI look chaotic, and a user may have trouble distinguishing which button or label is important, or whether it is in an on or off state. With that said, have fun. It's all about what appeals to you, as it's your UI.